Thinkific review, only what you really need to understand.
Alright, so let's just jump straight into it. First of all, let's start from the price because that is one of the most important things. So if we look at Thinkific, they actually provide a free plan that doesn't cost anything, and this is the only online course platform that does that, which is absolutely amazing if you have no money to start out with. And on this plan, you will be able to create 3 different courses with unlimited amount of students, which is absolutely amazing. But this is just the basic core feature. So what you will be able to do is just basically put your content out there and enroll the students, and that is it. And if you will want to have some marketing features, then you will actually need to upgrade to the basic plan.
By the way, I created a blueprint for the best business model out there, so check the description.
So when it comes to basic plan, as you can see, one really cool thing about this, so basically you have all of your usual marketing features such as coupons, so you can give out discounts for your potential students. You have email marketing, you can create drip campaigns for the content. You have custom domains, email integrations, Zapier integrations, all of that. The really cool thing that Thinkific does that other platforms don't do on basic plan, and they only do it on advanced plan, Thinkific actually provides you with affiliate reporting. So basically you can create affiliate program for your course. So if you have students that love your course and they want to recommend it to other people, you can give them commission, a percentage from your course, for recommending other people. So basically you make them your affiliates, and this is a very powerful tool. I use that for my courses, and because my courses are pretty good, I do get a lot of affiliates bringing in a lot of traffic for my courses, and I don't need to do anything, and I get extra revenue from that.
By the way, I have created a document of 50 best growth hacks used by the biggest marketers out there. Check the link below.
So if affiliate marketing is something that you think you are going to use and you only want to use basic plan, then Thinkific is definitely the way to go because it's the only platform that provides that on the basic plan. However, I do have to mention that the basic plan is $49 a month, which is a little bit more expensive compared to other platforms. Usually you're going to pay somewhere around $39. However, at the same time, you don't have any fees or anything like that, so it depends. If you're using something like Teachable, yes, it is $39, but then you pay a lot of fees, so it's going to add up to actually be more than $49 most likely, but it depends which platform you are comparing this with. And then when it comes to the Pro plan, most of the time you will want to upgrade to the Pro plan if you want to have some additional marketing features. So it really depends what you want out of this, but I would say for most of the people, what you need to think about when you think which plan you're going to go with is, I would say, the marketing features, and especially, if we go to sales and marketing, you will see that on the advanced plan you actually have additional course prices and offer payment plans, and you have bundles and memberships. So these are sort of the things that I see usually why people upgrade from basic plan to the advanced plan, and that can make you a lot more money if you can offer payment plans, so people can pay instead of one price, one big chunk of money, they can pay installments. That can get you more sales. Also bundles, if you have more than one course, that can get you a lot more revenue as well. So if this is something that you think is essential for your business, then probably you are going to go with the advanced plan. And when we go to the advanced plan, you will see that the pricing is actually, let's go to monthly. Monthly pricing is $99 a month, which is not bad compared to other platforms. Other platforms range anywhere from $79 to $119. So Thinkific is right there in the middle. So $99 per month, which is not bad. And then if you choose the annual plan, you actually save 20%. So that then only costs the Pro plan only costs $79, and the basic plan then only costs $39, and you have, as you can see, also 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like something, you can get your money back. So if you look at the actual dashboard, and I'm not going to do a tutorial, this is a review, but just to let you know, just for you to see what it looks like, I would say that they do have a very nice looking design, and compared to other platforms, I would say that perhaps Pody has a little bit nicer design. I do have a comparison video, but they do have a very simple and sleek design. So really, it's not something complicated to create your pages, to add different prices, create your content, all of that. It's all very, very, very simple. You do also have landing page builder. I honestly never advise to use landing page builders from the course platforms because they are a little bit limited. There are better options, and a landing page is one of the most, if not the most important feature, because really that is going to determine most of the time how good your conversion rate is. So if you can get 1% conversion rate, or you can get 2%, that makes a massive difference. That's why usually I say that go out and use other tools that are more advanced, and you can really customize the landing page. But if you don't want to do that, and I get it if sometimes you don't, they allow you, Thinkific in this case allows you to create landing pages, and you can have pretty much all of the basic stuff that you will need for landing pages. And again, it's very simple, nothing complicated. Basically, you just go and choose all of the different sections that you want to add. As you can see, you have a list of all of the things as call to action, checklist, countdown, timers, categories, so on and so forth. So it is very simple to create these landing pages, and they don't look bad. They look pretty okay. The only thing is, if you want the best, then you might want to go and use other tools. But other than that, I would say that it's, again, very simple to use, and you do have all of the basic stuff of the customization and the different elements that you will need. Last thing that you need to consider if you're thinking about using Thinkific are the integrations. So this is something that if you are going to use some tools that are outside of Thinkific, you need to see whether Thinkific has integrations with those tools. You can always use Zapier, so you can, even if they don't have direct integration, you can use Zapier to integrate with different tools, but that is going to cost you extra money. So it's the best if they do have a direct integration, so you can see all, let's say, email marketing. If you're using a specific software, you can see whether that software is here and whether they have direct integration or not. As you can see, they have ConvertKit, they have Aweber, ActiveCampaign, and so on and so forth. So basically, just have a look if there are some tools that you know are essential for your business. Have a look whether Thinkific actually has direct integration with them or not. When it comes to all of the different features, I'm not going to go through all of them. You can see for yourself. They have a really good page. I really love this page. They tell you one by one what is offered on which plan. I would say in general, when I used Thinkific, I didn't find anything that Thinkific was lacking that other platforms had. So basically, whatever I would say you will need for your business, Thinkific has it. Or if they don't have it, then probably other platforms don't have it either. If you found this video useful, make sure to press thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel so you see more useful videos like this of different softwares that might help out your business. Stay awesome, and I'll see you soon.